Sleep is one of the most important factors in maintaining your health and a good mood. Creating a healthy sleep routine is one of the best things you could do to yourself. I'm not going to talk about don't use a phone or don't exercise, but scientific methods to sleep quickly. Imagine if you could sleep within 30 seconds as soon as you hit the bed. Yes, that's exactly what I'm going to teach you. So let's get this thing on. Don't let the incredible benefits of good sleep become an unfulfilled dream, and you can only dream if you sleep. You can achieve anything with the right tools and practice. Here I got 6 techniques to force yourself to sleep. Inhaling through left nose. This is a yoga technique that's used to promote calmness and reduce blood pressure. To perform this technique, lay down on the left side of your body, rest your index finger lightly upon your right nostril to hold it closed. Then inhale deeply through your left nostril. This method is especially helpful if you're feeling overheated. Trying to stay awake. It might sound counterintuitive, but there's a good science behind this technique. When you're having trouble getting to sleep quickly, your body sends signals to your brain that something is wrong. This was a useful technique back in our human evolution. Think of trying to stay awake method as a reverse psychology for your own brain. This method is simple. Keep your eyes open and repeat yourself some variations of the phrase, "I will not go to sleep." The funny thing about your brain is it doesn't really understand how to process negative requests, so you'll probably fall asleep. Squeeze and release. Tension and stress in your muscles create conditions that make it nearly impossible for your body to sleep. One way to relieve this tension is to lay on your back. Breathe slowly and deeply through your nose, then squeeze your toes as tightly as you can, then simply release the pressure. Now you can repeat this process. Moving upward through the various muscles in your body, you should perform the squeeze and release technique even with the muscles that you don't feel tense. After you have squeezed and released your toes, do the same exercise with your calves, then your abdominal muscles, and so on, until you work your way up to the neck. For maximum effectiveness throughout this technique, you should focus on maintaining steady and deep breaths. Perform a rewind of your day. You can use mundane mental tasks to put yourself to sleep, that's basically bore yourself. Here's one main sleep professionals recommend. Once you're in bed, close your eyes and begin periodically rewinding the events of the day. Starting with the moments you got in your bed, then rewinding as far as you can until you sleep. Try to remember as much minute details as you can. If you're doing it properly, you should be able to sleep before you can even rewind all your way back to the lunch. So that's pretty much it for this, guys. If you, these 4 methods will make you fall asleep like a baby. And also don't forget to avoid screens, caffeine and food before you sleep, as they may help you to fall asleep better. So that's pretty much for it. I'll see you guys in the next one.